Hello my beautiful people out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about what happened after getting the offer letter. Okay, I have received my offer letter from Accenture, and also after getting the offer letter I didn't join the Accenture immediately because I was working in another company where I was having the notice period of 90 days. 3 months of notice period I was having, so I have to serve complete 90 days. There was no payout options available for me, so I have not joined the Accenture immediately. Okay, what happened is August 2021 I have received my offer letter. So in September I got one mail from Accenture people. What they have sent is they have told me to join early, like they have told me to join in September end, but I was not having any payout options. What they have given me the offer was, they told me that they'll give the payout, whatever your company will tell to pay out for the notice period, we are ready to pay for that. Okay, if that option is available, you just pay that amount. We are going to pay you in your along with your first salary. And also they told me like, we are ready to increase your joining bonus as well if you join us immediately in September end. But the thing is, I was not having any options like payout in my company. I have to serve the complete 90 days. So I missed this opportunity. If anybody is having this kind of opportunity, they can join by paying whatever the Accenture is. If the Accenture people is ready to pay, you can pay to your company and you can join to them whenever they want to. But in my case, the situation was different. My company was not allowing me to join the other company before 90 days. So I have to serve the complete 90 days, then only I can go to Accenture. Okay, so here one question comes, what is joining bonus? Did you get the joining bonus? Yes, I have received the joining bonus from Accenture. So anybody who is going to join in Accenture, based on their eligibility, they'll get the joining bonus. Okay, this benefit is available in Accenture. Okay, so what is this joining bonus is all about? See, joining bonus is the bonus which company pays you when you are going to join to their company. Okay, it's the amount which is excluding your CTC. It is not included in your CTC, it is excluding your CTC, which is giving you as a bonus, joining bonus, when you are going to join that company. Okay, the main thing is, when you are getting the joining bonus, you have to be there in that company for at least 1 year. If you are going to leave that company, you have to, within 1 year, you have to pay that amount, whatever the X amount they'll give you as a joining bonus, that you have to give to them, then only you can leave that company. But if you're leaving the company after 1 year, then you don't need to pay that. Many people ask me that, is the joining bonus is beneficial? Obviously man, why not? Joining bonus is some huge amount which we are getting apart from our salary. Why won't we get that? It is generally 10% of your CTC. Okay, max to max I think it is up to 30% you'll get. But understand that it will not be paid every year. Only when you're going to join that company, at that initial month, along with your salary, that amount will be credited to your bank. But that will not be paid every year. Make sure that and understand that. It is mostly used to stuff the CTC, just to make sure that your package is very good. Okay, but it is not going to pay you every year. Only once it will be paid. See, but the thing is, as the joining bonus comes only once, better if you have the opportunity, like instead of this joining bonus, if you can increase your CTC, let's say some 10,000 every month or some 5,000 every month, you go for that option instead of this joining bonus. Okay, that is better option because your CTC is getting matter there. Here the joining bonus comes only once as a huge amount. Okay, so understand that and select the right option. If you have the opportunity to select CTC monthly increase or the joining bonus as a huge, I'll prefer to select the CTC. So monthly, if they are going to increase, let's say your CTC is offering as 5 lakh CTC you are getting offer, and they are going to tell, we are giving you 50,000 as a joining bonus. Okay, you want that, or shall we increase some amount in your monthly salary, like your CTCs get increased? So prefer that one instead of joining bonus. Okay, so one more question was, can we ask the joining bonus? So my answer here is, please don't ask by yourself. Let your employer initiate the discussion on salary. If you are asking, that is not good. Based on my experience, I'm telling. So let your employer initiate the discussion on salary or joining bonus. Don't initiate by yourself. Okay, you cannot initiate, but you can negotiate. Okay, you can negotiate on the joining bonus if they are offering, or CTC, whatever it is, you can negotiate it. But initial step, let the employer will take, then you can negotiate. Okay, this is the proper thing what I feel is. Okay, so next question is, can you get the joining bonus soon you accept the offer letter? No, you will get the joining bonus once you onboard to that company, and along with your first salary they'll give you the joining bonus. But you guys need to make sure that the joining bonus amount, whatever the employer has discussed with you before releasing the offer, make sure that thing has been mentioned in your offer letter. Okay, that has to be mentioned in your offer letter. If it is not mentioned, then it is not guaranteed that you will get the joining bonus. Okay, somewhere it has to be written and it has to be signed and given to you. Okay, then only you can expect something from them. And one more point is, see, many people ask that, does this joining bonus is taxable? Yes, joining bonus is taxable. The employer must have deducted the tax when they are going to pay the joining bonus. They are going to deduct the tax. But the thing is, when you are going to pay that, if you are leaving the company within 1 year, you have to pay the full amount, complete amount. Whatever the tax is deducted, that also you have to pay. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope I have cleared many of your doubts in this video. If anything is there, just comment below. I am here to help you out. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.